Welcome to our video tutorial series on Destiny Library Manager. Today's tutorial is on using the CircDesk access level login for basic library circulation tasks. As you may already know, to access Destiny Library Manager, you look for the tile in your employee portal that's titled Destiny. Click the tile to take you to the splash page. From the Destiny splash page, scroll down until you can select your school's link. Clicking the link leads you to the landing page. Once you've chosen your school from the Destiny splash page, you will notice that there is a login button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking the login button brings you to this screen. For the purposes of using the CircDesk login, you will log in under these words, log in using your Destiny account. Once you've logged in, you will notice that it now says Circulation Desk in the upper right-hand corner, and you have an additional tab, Circulation, in addition to Home and Catalog. For working with library materials, you need to keep the setting to Library View. The other choices, Textbook View, obviously for textbooks, and Resource View is for checking in and out resource items that are in our new Resource Manager tool. Unless you are assigned to do textbooks or handle equipment, you need to stay in Library View. Currently, we're on the Home tab of Destiny Library Manager. Each school can customize their Home tab as they see fit. This is done by the Library Media Specialist using an admin login. The second tab is Catalog. This is where you search for materials. The third tab is Circulation. This is where you look up patrons and assign materials to them. It's called Checkout. It is also where you take materials in that have been returned and check them in. On the Catalog tab, there are 4 different ways to search for materials. There is the standard library search that you see on this screen. It has 3 different options on the right. We'll look at those in a moment. The second option is Destiny Quest, a colorful interface that the students like to use. There is Destiny Discover, a very modern interface that shows the books with front-facing covers, much like a bookstore or an ebook catalog. And the last interface to search is WebPath Express. From the library search option, you have several different choices. You can do a basic search, which is what you see here, with the different buttons for keyword, title, author, subject, and series search. It is also where you can sort by material type, meaning that you can sort for only books or only equipment, and so on. It also allows you to search by the specific sublocations that are custom made at your school. And you can also search by reading counts, Lexile, and Fontes and Pinnell under reading programs. The power search allows you to refine the search further using Boolean terms and setting each line for the specific area you would like to search. You can also search material types. You could search publication year, call number, your cert types, your sublocations, and your reading programs, all combined on this advanced search screen. The visual search tab allows searching by illustrations. This is mostly used by the younger children. It's branch searching by clicking the pictures. The younger children really enjoy this kind of interface. It is also available in older illustrations for the secondary student, should you choose to have your students use that. To access Destiny Discover from the Catalog tab, click the Destiny Discover choice on the left, and it will slowly load for you and become the Destiny Discover interface that all teachers and students can use. This is arranged in ribbons by topics, which can be edited and rearranged by the library administrator, which would be the library media specialist with a full admin access. This is the ribbon for ebooks, topic search, and in the case of this library, the recently added books appear at the top. There is also a classic search dialog box where any search term can be entered. The main thing you need to know about Destiny Discover is that you cannot check out books from this screen or return books from this screen. This is simply a search. In order to go back to the functions of the Circulation Desk login and be able to check books in and out to students, you have to return to the main Destiny page. In this case, you do that by clicking this toggle menu in the upper left-hand corner of your screen and choosing Destiny Back Office. It will throw you back, possibly, to the entire main screen of your Circulation Desk login, and you may have to click the Circulation tab or the Catalog tab to get back to the functions that you wish to use. WebPath Express is our fourth and final interface for the Destiny Library catalog. WebPath Express searches exactly what it says, the web. Any search term put in this dialog box will result in a list of websites that are age appropriate and pre-vetted for use in K-12 education. The site is arranged so that you can do visual branching of search terms, or you can simply put a search term in the dialog box and click the search button. The lists you will get are all hot linked to the website that it's referencing. It has a grade level for appropriateness, and it has a description. You can see that there's 7 pages of web links in this particular search for coronavirus. WebPath Express has an additional feature where you can click a separate tab to check for book titles on this topic. Clicking the Titles tab lets us know that this particular library does not have any print books on the topic of coronavirus. To go back to your website search, simply click the Websites tab. The Circulation tab is where you find the functions to check in and out materials to teachers and students. I'm on the Checkout sub-tab, and I need to find the student that's in front of me. Her last name is Black, which I type in, and I click the Find Patron button. Ava Black is the student I wish to give a book to. I click her name, and it opens her patron screen. I can see her grade level, her homeroom, and the materials she currently has checked out and when they are due. I now can take the book she wishes to take home, scan the barcode into the find box, and click Find Copy, or if you're using a scanner, it will automatically do an enter, a return, and check out the material to the student. You can see that now she has 2 books checked out to her instead of just the 1. If I wish to check in a book that someone has brought me, I scan the barcode. The barcode scanner will do an automatic enter, and the book is automatically checked in. Every book that you check in during a session will register right here under this gray line, and you'll be able to see which books you have discharged in a current session. A faster way to look up a patron in the library database may be to check Search Only District ID and type in their student ID or their employee ID if they happen to be a teacher, and click Find Patron. Here's my student again. I can go back up here to the Find box, scan in my barcode for the book the student would like to have. The barcode scanner will do an automatic return and check out the book to the patron. Notice that there is a Renew button next to this item that is currently checked out and overdue, if I click this button, the item will renew to the student for another loan period, which is generally 14 days. You can also go to the sidebar, click this renew button, and scan any book that a student brings to you and says they would like to renew it and keep it a little bit longer. You don't have to take the time to look them up personally. You just take the book and scan it into this box, and it will automatically be renewed on the patron's screen. Another convenient option for checkout is to check out by Homeroom. Activate this tab by clicking it, and then move over to the dialog box and select the homeroom of the students you have in front of you. Click Select Patron, and all of the students for that teacher will appear on one screen. Any student that you click will take you to their patron screen, and you can check out a book to them by scanning the barcode in this Find box and either clicking the Find Copy button or allowing the scanner to do an automatic return. When you want to go to a different student in this same homeroom, click Select Patron again, and it will return you to all of that teacher's students once again. This concludes our overview of the Circulation Desk login and Destiny Library Manager, which gives you access to the Home tab, Catalog tab, and Circulation tab only. Please remember that the CircDesk login is for library staff only. Media specialists may, however, leave this login for their substitute if absolutely necessary. If you have parent volunteers, please log them in to Destiny Library Manager using CircDesk and remind them that all student information found there is strictly confidential. Follow the directions on this slide to log in under the CircDesk access level. If you do not have a Destiny tile in your portal, contact either Holly Ann Ruffner or Lisa Seymour for the direct URL for Destiny Library Manager. You can then make a custom tile in your portal for easy access later. Support for Destiny Library Manager is provided by the specialists in Library Media Services. If you have any questions or technical difficulties with Library Manager, please contact us directly using the email addresses you see on the screen. Do not put in any support ticket for problems with Destiny Library Manager. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on Destiny Library Manager. Today's topic was CircDesk Access for Destiny Library Manager. For further information on this or any other aspect of Destiny Library Manager, contact Library Media Services.
For more information on the products shared during this presentation, visit our website, librarycurrent.palmbeachschools.org, or visit our YouTube channel, PBCSD Library Media Services.